The air end consists of a single main rotor and two gate rotors. Atmospheric air enters the compression element and fills the flutes of the main rotor. The gate rotors engage with the flutes and form two compression chambers above and below the main rotor. The gate rotors automatically follow the rotation of the main rotor, reducing the volume in the flutes and compressing the air along the compression chambers. Purified water injected into the compression element lubricates, seals, and cools the process. The compressed air and water mixture is discharged from the compression element and passes into a water separation vessel. The low temperature rise of the air means that a final air cooler is not necessary. The air that is separated from the water in the separator vessel passes through a minimum pressure non-return valve, then into your system. The discharge pressure is measured and used to adjust the rotational speed of the compressor to ensure you use just the energy you need and no more. Water purification system. Water enters the system and is cleaned in an activated carbon filter. Then the water enters the reverse osmosis membrane. Reverse osmosis allows the removal of particles as small as ions from a solution. It is used to produce water to meet the most demanding specifications currently in place. It is capable of rejecting bacteria, salts, sugars, proteins, particles, dyes, and other contaminants. A membrane that is semi-permeable allows only pure water to pass through it, while rejecting the contaminants that remain. Once through the membrane, the purified water is stored in a small storage tank. When top-up water is required, it passes through an activated carbon filter, then into the compressor. Separated water that has passed through the compressor flows into the integrated coolers, where it is cooled by the cooling fans. From here, it passes into a water filter and is cleaned. This ensures that the water that is sprayed into the air end is both cool and clean. You are guaranteed high-quality, oil-free compressed air. Compressors can be driven by a fixed-speed motor, an inverter, or by our innovative switched reluctance drive system. Using the SR drive system, the digitally controlled three-phase motor enables the speed of the motor and thus the volume flow of the compressor to be precisely controlled to meet your changing demands. Fine pressure control ensures that you use exactly the energy required to do the job and no more. With this technology, we offer our customers a compressor that provides the best-in-class efficiency. The excellent cooling features of water injection enable the compressor to operate at a low temperature, so near isothermal compression is achieved. The unique construction of the air end ensures the compressor runs with particularly low vibration and minimized bearing loads, reducing energy consumption and ensuring a long life. As it is a simple construction with few moving parts, maintenance is significantly reduced. What does all this mean for you? Much lower maintenance costs compared to other oil-free screw compressors. Combine this with the variable speed drives and it adds up to a massive reduction in your total cost of ownership.